In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency SOS at the top and choose Emergency Contacts. Now to add them, select Add at the bottom and click on the chosen one. If you wish to notify this contact that it's your emergency one, select OK in the pop-up to send a text. If you don't, choose Cancel. You can add up to 3 contacts by selecting Add Contact and click on the desired ones. In order to remove one of them, select this pen at the top right corner and choose this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!